These are entries from the diary of a German soldier who fought near Stalingrad in 1942, then was taken prisoner, and returned home in 1953. October 5, 1942. Our battalion finally reached the Volga. Yes, the Führer promised that we would end the war in the fall of 1941, but he was a little wrong. Tomorrow, exactly tomorrow, October 6, 1942, we will be on the other side of the river, and the war will be over, mark my words. This diary will go down in the history of New Germany. It will be read to our schoolchildren and our students by our history teachers. Although, to be precise, the Volga is still 600 meters away. October 6, 1942. Bloody Russians are putting up a very strong fire resistance. We can't get over those 600 meters. At all. We're standing near some school fence. October 7, 1942. Damn school. It's just impossible to get close to it. Our battalion's losses have already exceeded 30%. October 13, 1942. Anyone left alive from our battalion wonders where these Russians are coming from. The school is long gone, but every time we approach it, dagger fire erupts from somewhere under the ruins and kills another arrogant German. October 19, 1942. My God, hallelujah, we have overcome the ruins of the school. There were about 100 men left of our battalion. 2 weeks ago there were 328 of us. 328 soldiers and officers of Greater Germany. It turned out that the damn school was defended by 15 Russians, and we found 15 corpses, not a single officer among them. Lord, who commanded them? Can you imagine? 15 corpses in all. And they were stormed by a whole battalion, the best storming battalion of the Great Germany. But the bitterest thing awaited us ahead. There were still 400 meters to the Volga, but in front of us, across the road, was a ruined 4-story house. And something tells me that our battalion will not be able to cross this street. December 31st, 1942. We are greeting the new year in the ruins of the damned school. The Russians had to be buried. They, by their looks, even the dead had clenched fists. Completely demoralized the recruits, who were sent to our battalion every week. I can't even begin to comprehend the number of casualties. I stopped counting them after 1,000, but according to the intelligence service, there were no more than 40 men defending that damn 4-story building. And we all knew by now that there was a sniper among them who never missed a shot. If you hear a single shot, whip like a whip, our cook makes lunch or coffee minus one person. No way. We've been bombing and shelling this 4-story building non-stop for 2 months. Fucking Russians. Fucking Stalingrad. Fucking 4-story building. Fucking war. Damn Hitler. January 25, 1943. We should not have shelled the school with heavy artillery. There would have been more places where it didn't blow, and we could get warm and sleep. January 29, 1943. Trying to remember the last time I felt like an invincible descendant of the Aryans, I think it was October 5, 1942, yes, we stopped being invincible as soon as the Russians started killing us in the damn school. February 1, 1943. We are completely surrounded. It's cold. No tea, no schnapps. We undressed the dead Germans, it's good that there were many of them, and we used their clothes to make rag coats for ourselves. Fires cannot be lit day or night. Damn Russian snipers! Not just trying to hit us in the head, but surely in the center of the hat, where our invincible symbol, the swastika, is attached. And if we are not killed by snipers, the artillery fire starts immediately. At night they hit the fire, during the day they hit the smoke. Learn the damn school brick by brick. I found a burnt diary with A's and a volume of Nietzsche wrapped in newspaper. Why would Russians want to study a German philosopher? Damn savages. February 2, 1943. If I were the Russians, I would destroy all of us. All of us bloody Germans who think of ourselves as invincible demigods, a superior race wrapped in rags that were taken off the dead comrades, and already ready to sell Hitler and Germany 100 times over for a sip of hot tea. We have something to be shot for. and more than once. If any of us make it out of here alive, it will be a miracle. A report from the BBC in October 1942. Poland was conquered in 28 days, and in Stalingrad the Germans took several houses in 29 days. In 38 days France was conquered, and in Stalingrad in the same time the German army moved from one side of the street to the other.